So at master's level, we would expect students to be reading widely around the topic. So the notes and the lectures that they might have been given are really just a stepping stone to the topic, and that should encourage them to go and read much more widely, to read recent literature, recent research, read textbooks, policy papers, whatever might be appropriate to the discipline and the subject that's being studied. So to get that deeper knowledge, that deeper understanding, and allow them to then build that balanced argument and discussion in their assignment.
Reading widely means that we will direct you to some starting points for your reading that sort of contain the crucial elements, the crucial concepts that you need in order to engage in the literature and the understandings in that area. In order to be able to expand on those and to develop your thinking and to develop a more complex and complicated understanding of issues, you need to read further field than the main areas. You need to explore those areas that are of interest to you and relate them to your own understanding so that you can bring back to the core concepts a different perspective on them and therefore grow and expand knowledge and understanding, not just for yourself but for the whole community.
So just because something has been published or something is being done somewhere in the world doesn't necessarily mean that it is the solution where it's being applied and that kind of thing. So actually what we like our students to do is to be able to look at different programs that are happening all over the world and figure out what are the questions that you would like to ask if you were going to apply that either in that same setting or elsewhere. And from there we can kind of figure out what are the research questions that are really relevant to our practice, particularly when you graduate from a master's program.